Alright, Julia.
Oh.
Somebody's sniffing water tonight.
Whoa!
You're sniffing water tonight, huh?
He turned around earlier into my tubes. He looked at me and was like, oh!
You okay, Julia?
You're going to feel that later.
Are Mia and William following you, Julia?
Do you want some more? Do you want another one? Lexi. Go, go, go. Go, go, go.
Whoop, oh, you okay? You okay, guys? You okay? Yeah, okay. Raring to go.
Yep.
These guys are... This is all they needed. They didn't need musical guests. They just needed a big room and balloons. Happy birthday, guys.